Welcome to Dan's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a super tasty spicy tofu dish. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and drenched in sauce. It's absolutely delicious. If you don't like it too spicy, you can swap the chilies for green peppers. For best texture, use firm tofu. If you can't find firm tofu, regular tofu works too. For a better bite, cut the tofu a bit thinner and into smaller pieces. It'll fry up even crispier. Once fried, the tofu will puff up nicely. Hot oil is the key to crispy yet tender tofu. For even better texture, you can fry it twice. In a bowl, add scallions, garlic, chili, dried chilies, and cumin. Next, add salt, a pinch of sugar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix it all together well. The aroma is insane. This sauce alone will make your mouth water. If you're short on time, just toss everything together now. If you want it extra flavorful, split the fried tofu pieces slightly and pour the sauce inside them so they absorb all that goodness. Enjoy your delicious tofu. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and save it. We'll be sharing authentic Chinese recipes all the time.